Hello friends, we welcome you to our channel Shubh Labh Vedic Astro. Our today's topic is very interesting and important one, that is which are the most powerful zodiac signs for the coming next 3.5 years. Friends, we will be discussing four most powerful zodiac signs today. However, we are taking other zodiac signs into consideration also. After these four, we will be discussing one or two zodiac signs also. Friends, as you know that Saturn is considered to be the planet of miseries, sorrows, diseases, hurdles, obstacles, and injuries. But this is partially true. Moreover, when Saturn is situated in good houses in a horoscope or in very good zodiac signs in a particular horoscope, then it gives the incredible amount of success, wealth, name, fame to the native during its period. We are discussing today's topic keeping Saturn in mind. Saturn takes 2.5 years to cross a sign, that is, it remains in a zodiac sign for 30 months. This is the highest period which a planet takes to cross across a zodiac sign. Friends, Saturn affects our lives in many ways. One of them is the main and sub period of the Saturn in our horoscopes. Apart from this, Saturn affects a person when it is transiting in the birth sign of a person. Moreover, it starts affecting the person one sign before and after one sign of the birth sign. This total period is of 7.5 years. Moreover, while the Saturn is transiting in the fourth house or eighth house from the birth sign of the native, it also affects the person in testing ways. So, when we calculate this period, it comes out to 12 years. These 12 years are apart from the main and sub periods of the Saturn in our horoscopes. One more thing is there, that the total circle of Saturn is of 30 years to cross the 12 zodiac signs. So you can very well understand that out of these 30 years, for 12 years, it affects a person in testing ways, apart from the main and sub periods of the Saturn in our horoscopes. So you can very well understand that Saturn affects our lives more than any other planet. That is why we have taken into Saturn our consideration to predict the most favorite or favorable signs for the next 3.5 years. After this, the number comes of Rahu. Rahu takes 18 months to cross a zodiac sign, and Jupiter takes 12 to 13 months to cross a zodiac sign. Our today's calculations are based upon Saturn. Saturn is the most powerful planet. When its period is going on in a particular horoscope, then it is effective. However, apart from this, it gives its results during 7.5 years when it affects a particular zodiac sign, and 2.5 years also when it is transiting in the fourth house of a horoscope. So, apart from its period, it is capable of affecting a person to a great extent. So, our first sign today will be Libra. Friends, Libra is the sign of exaltation for Saturn. Moreover, the Lord of Libra, that is Venus, is the friend of Saturn. So, Saturn is the Lord of fourth and fifth houses in the Libra ascendant. So, these are the two auspicious houses which are ruled by Saturn in this ascendant. Moreover, at this time, Saturn is transiting through its own sign Capricorn. It will remain here until January 2023, and after that, it will transit its another sign which is Aquarius, and it will remain there up to March 2025. Friends, Aquarius is the most favorite sign of Saturn. In this sign, it is capable of giving very good results to the native. So, during its transit in the Capricorn, it will remain in the fourth house of Libra ascendant, and during its transit in the Aquarius, it will remain in the fifth house of the Libra ascendant. So, during this period, the native will be gaining name, fame, recognition in the society. He will be surely buying some plot, house, a new vehicle, or some luxurious items for his house. He can also see a change in the job's place which will be favorable to him. He can also go abroad during this time. The period will be very favorable for him, and moreover, after this, the Saturn will be transiting in the fifth house, as we have discussed earlier. In the fifth house, the native will pursue his higher studies with ease. His general intelligence will improve. He will be able to clear some competitive exams, so he can get a new assignment, good job, or if he is in politics, then he can also gain good position. Moreover, the native can get sudden financial gains during this time. So, period will be very good for these people. However, there is no doubt that there will be some hurdles and obstacles and delays, but the overall result and the end result will be very good and satisfactory for the native. The next sign we will be discussing is Sagittarius. In Sagittarius, the lord of ascendant is Jupiter. So Jupiter considers Saturn in a neutral way. Jupiter doesn't consider Saturn as its enemy. The Saturn will be the lord of second house, and it will be transiting in the second house. Second house belongs to wealth, speech, family, right eye, primary education, etc. So during this period, the native will be seeing a rise in his wealth. His speech will be impressive. He will be able to impress the people and society with his speech. There can be minor tensions in the family, but overall atmosphere in the family will be good. After this, the Saturn will be transiting in the third house in Aquarius sign. Friends, the transit of a cruel planet in third house is considered to be very good, and moreover, Saturn will be transiting in its favorite and its own sign, that is Aquarius. Here the native's energy level will rise. He will be able to take little risks also. He will be more energetic, initiative during this period. So due to his hard work, energy and proper planning, he will be able to get success in his new ventures which he starts. So overall period will be good. They should consider this period very auspicious, and they should increase their hard work content and go for the success. The next sign we will be discussing is Capricorn. Friends, Capricorn is the own sign of Saturn, and a very strong, powerful Raj Yoga is created due to its transit in its own sign Capricorn. In Capricorn, while its transit will be there, the native's health will be affected due to some extent. Moreover, there will be some hurdles, delays, and minor problems to the native. But due to its transit in the ascendant, the native will be able to gain high level of name, fame, and recognition in the society. Its 10th aspect on the profession house, 10th house, will give the native a good job, a rise in the job promotion. He will be able to take a new deal, or if he is in politics, he can gain a good position in the government like minister, governor, or head of an institution also. So when the Saturn will be transiting in the second house, that is in its sign Aquarius, then the native will see a very, very huge rise in his financial position. Friends, Saturn gives the results in a slow, steady manner, but in a stable manner. The results achieved during its period are stable for a long, long time, and the native enjoys the success gained during this time. So, the natives of this zodiac sign or ascendant should plan accordingly and keep their cool and calm, and they should not panic. They should avoid controversies, they should avoid fights, etc., and focus on their goals so that they are not distracted from their goals. In the last, we are going to discuss the sign Taurus. In Taurus, the Saturn is the lord of 9th and 10th houses, which are very auspicious houses. Moreover, it will be transiting in its own signs. So during this time, native will be gaining success with the help of his hard work as well as with the help of his luck also. While its transit in the Aquarius sign and 10th house of the horoscope, he will see a rise in his occupation. He may get a promotion, he may get some rewards and awards, etc. Or if he is in politics, he can gain a good position in the government. Moreover, the 10th house belongs to achievements. So during this time, he can also gain some big achievements. Friends, the Saturn rules the iron, chemicals, oils, fossil fuels, farming products, especially which are obtained from the earth, and cattle farming is also under the Saturn. So the people which are doing this profession will be gaining good success during this time. Apart from these signs, another sign is there, which is Aries. Aries people will also be getting good success during this time. They should also keep their focus on their goals, and they should also plan accordingly. They can also get good success during this time. To improve upon the results, we suggest all the natives of these signs to recite the basic Vedic mantras of Saturn, which is Om Pram Preem Prom Sah Shneshcharai Namaha, Om Pram Preem Prom Sah Shneshcharai Namaha, Om Pram Preem Prom Sah Shneshcharai Namaha. They should wear sky blue color or some other light colors according to their zodiac signs. They should avoid black, dark brown, dark red, and deep gray colors during this period. They should try to remain vegan, and they should help poor, needy, and downtrodden people of the society. It will improve their chances of success, and their mental peace will also be improved. They will be able to avoid the diseases, losses, and mental tensions, and they will be getting good success. In the end, we request you to kindly like, subscribe, and share our channel so that the other people can also get the benefit of this. Thank you, friends. Have a nice time. God bless you all.